Hello everyone. I got this Lego set from my parents for finishing school. I think I'm gonna make this one, but I'll be honest, and this might be surprising, but I've never built Lego. Like I have in the sense of like free build, just like a house. But I do have Lego sets, but they've all been, I've asked like my sister or my brother-in-law to do them, or my husband. Like I've asked other people, or my mom to like make it for me, but I am determined. I'm gonna make this one myself. I am not filming the entire process because I don't want to get made fun of if it takes me so long. But I will film throughout, so you'll see periodically. Oh, and this is my Lorcana Hades playmat. So I did mention it in my gaming with Tyler podcast episode. So yes, if you're interested in Lorcana, check out that podcast episode on the Hobby Haven podcast on Spotify. All right, see you soon. Okay, little check-in. Well, I have not done one or seen one open. It's been so long since the packages were just clear plastic, but now these are paper. Like, when did that change happen? I love that. So also the books, the one I'm doing is underneath the bags, but like that one's cute. It's so thin. Kind of want to do the thin ones just to do it. But this pen one is adorable. Granted, I'd probably pick up the pen and try to use it because yeah, that's my brain. But yeah, this one, just crinkle mess, is like a bit thicker. So yeah, it's good I'm not filming this process. It might, I don't want the world to know. I'll probably tell it anyways, but I don't really want the world to know how long it takes me to do this 363 piece set for 8+. I'm in my 30s. All right, see you in a bit. Haha. So this was book one, apparently. Well, not book one, sorry. Like the first bag, I mean. So I got this. I kind of had, and this might just be my own thing, I had a little mini moment panic because, okay, so it comes in like this big bag, right? And you dump everything, but then there was this little bag in it too, and I was like, oh, okay, is it supposed to tell me when I open that? But because I'm so used to the see-through plastic, I was like, oh, I realized after only a few minutes, like maybe 2 minutes, I realized that that's just the smaller items, like the smaller Lego pieces. So anyway, so yeah. So now I'm going to open bag 2 and we're going to get into the keyboard. So this will be interesting. So yeah. Oh, look how cute. Okay. So now we're on to the third bag. You know, it doesn't matter how long it's taken me. It's fun. I'm actually finding it very relaxing. I get it now why people build Lego. It's extremely relaxing if you don't mess up. But I haven't messed up, knock on wood, so woohoo. Alrighty, so I got this guy all done. And look, it slides. Like I'm typing. But you can, so I put the Once Upon a Time, but this guy just pops out easily, and you can swap it for yeah, every big idea starts small, or to rebuild or not to rebuild. So I'll probably put them on these and then over time just do like a switch up. So now I'm getting to the flowers and we needed a snack to keep going. I did it. It's all done. The flowers were interesting. I'll be honest, not my favorite, but it wasn't that complicated. Nothing was really super complicated. I guess the only part that was kind of a little complicated was the part for, oh boy, hands here. The part for this moving part. That was the only thing that was like, what the heck? But yeah, no, I'm happy I did it. That's the box. Matches the box. Kind of. There is always a few extra pieces. I remember when I had family members create other pieces. So, but yeah, it's all done. Yay. Alrighty. Thank you very much for watching the Hobby Haven. Also, let me know if you want me to do more Lego, because that was fun. And I can actually do possibly like a film while I create it, but I don't know. I kind of like just filming it and then taking little snippets as I go. But let me know what you think, because that was fun. Anyways, thanks again.